acne. Multiple factors contribute to acne. One is a change in keratin, a protein produced by skin cells. Excess keratin can clump together to block the oil ducts within hair follicles, producing those telltale bumps you know as spots or pimples. The bacteria that inhabit these tiny hair follicles can also play a role, especially in teen acne. Wash less, smile more. Many people with acne have the mistaken impression that the cause is dirty skin. As a result, they become overzealous face scrubbers. Aggressive and frequent washing actually aggravates the condition. Natural remedies to treat acne. Tea tree. The pungent oil from this Australian tree, used externally, acts against the bacteria associated with acne. To use, gently cleanse the skin and pat dry. They apply a 5 to 15% dilution of the oil to problem areas. Purchase a diluted product or dilute your own in jojoba oil. Repeat twice daily, morning and evening. Please note that this may cause a skin irritation, so try a test spot first and wait 24 to 48 hours. Lavender. The essential oil of lavender is antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and somewhat astringent. It is great to have around the home for skin irritations and minor burns. To use, dot it on the individual blemishes with a cotton bud as needed. Burdock. Taken internally, this root promotes sweating and urination. The roots, leaf and seeds of burdock all can be used. Rich in minerals, this plant is used as a food by many cultures. To use, up to 4 cups of tea per day, simmer 1 tablespoon of dried root in 450 milliliters of water for 15 minutes or 2 400 to 500 milligram capsules 3 times per day. Or 1 to 2 teaspoons of fluid extract 3 times per day. To use burdock tea as a face wash, make the tea, then cool it and use a clean cloth to apply it to the skin, rinse with cool water. Dandelion. Like burdock, dandelion root helps the body dispose of unwanted skin bacteria. It also stimulates digestion and supports the liver, the major organ that helps rid the body of toxins and excess hormones, including the androgens that trigger breakouts. Dandelion leaves are also full of vitamins and minerals, many of which help maintain healthy skin. You can eat the young, fresh leaves raw in salads or steam them. The root, which is usually dried, chopped and roasted, is moderately anti-inflammatory. How to use: 3-4 cups of tea per day, simmer 2 teaspoons of dried chopped root in 1/4 liter of water for 20 minutes or steep 2 teaspoons of dried leaf in 1/4 liter of hot water for 15 minutes, or 2 400 to 500 milligram capsules 3 times per day, or 1 to 2 teaspoons of fluid extract 3 times per day. Calendula. This herb is a traditional remedy for many types of skin problems. Its orange petals are antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, properties that can relieve acne symptoms. How to use: make a tea by steeping 1 teaspoon of dried flowers in 1/4 liter of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. train, let it cool and apply to face with a cotton ball or clean cloth. There you have it, some wonderful and natural remedies to help alleviate skin problems associated with acne breakouts.